Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the tube channel. It's been a hot minute since we've done a video that is not booty shaking, but I thought I would take you along with me today as we start our adventure, so stay tuned. So what's on the plate for today? We got a lot of little adventures today. I thought it might be a good day to bring you with me. So far this morning I have had my morning vitamins and my morning shake. I have packed my morning snack, which I will show you here in just a little bit. I'm gonna head into work and get a couple of things done today. And then today is a Sam's day. I am on my way into Sam's to find some incredible finds. And I thought I would just take you with me. And we might do some meal prep today. All right, let's see what we got. Okay guys, so breakfast. I have my cute little lunch bag. So I'm gonna have a banana. I am going to have yogurt, and I am going to mix all of it with a little bit of granola. So let's make it. So I know this doesn't look very pretty, but it's so yummy. Lots and lots of fuels to get me started with breakfast this morning, so let me get that up. Okay, guys. So because my video skills have not really got any better since the last YouTube video, yeah, I forgot to totally video lunch, but I did do a picture, so I'll put it down here somewhere. So we went to a place here in Louisville called Senor Iguanas. It's a Mexican restaurant, but it's really cool because they have some great options for lunch. And what you see down there, it was so yummy. It was just a salad, had some grilled chicken on it, some avocado for some healthy fat. And then after that, I headed to Sam's. As you guys know, I am on the hunt for a good protein option. Okay, so Sam's has got a whole bunch of them, but I was told to come here and get something very specific, so let's go get it. So, funny story, I totally just walked around the entire parking lot trying to figure out where my car is. Yeah, okay, so that happened. Anyways, I'm gonna let you load on it. So I got 7 items here at Sam's. We're totaling up to about $78. It's not too bad. So I did find some great finds. So, the whole purpose of coming today was for these. These were on sale here at Sam's this week. But in addition to these, first off, I'm hoping I really like them because we got 2. I also found, oh my goodness, some protein water. So we'll try it. Let's see what we can get from there. We need spoons because for some reason the spoons leave our house and never come back. Sam's had them on the cheap. Some seasoning for my chicken. And oh yeah, the chicken. Also, because I'm on my, you know, let's feed this body healthy. Got some broccoli. That's what we got, guys. All right, let's take it home. Guys, like, I was like, I'm just gonna take a little sip and then I'll do the review. And then I drank the whole thing. This is so fabulous. Okay, afternoon snack, 30 grams of protein. I mean, I'm just telling you, you need this in your life. Stat. Some meal prep from the non-cooker. I'm gonna put a couple clips on here, a couple pictures of the recipe that I've actually made a couple days ago. They're these meatballs, they're garlic meatballs. Okay, so first thing that I have the hardest time, it's not really doing the meal prep itself, but it's actually like eating it. Like, hey, I don't like reheated food. It grosses me out. Like hamburger, but I will tell you that these meatballs, I think it's because it has a mixture of the hamburger and the pork. They're super good. even reheat it. Like I almost think that they're better the next day with the flavors. So I'm gonna put a couple of pictures of what it looks like. It was super easy to make. I think I had everything made in less than 30 minutes and then package them up. Serving size for me was 4. Obviously you can put more in, and I'll put the recipe in here also so that you can make it. But that is what I'm gonna be eating for dinner. I will either pair it with some noodles, which you'll see in the picture, or I may do some jasmine rice. Doesn't really matter. You can put what you want in there. Okay, try it out. And because this has been one smorgasbord video, I'm gonna slap in here a little leg workout. So I'm gonna put a couple clips so you can, if you want, you got meal prep, you got ideas that you can eat during the day, and heck, you got a leg workout. Okay, stay tuned. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. It's been a day in the life. Okay, it really hasn't been a day in the life. I'm gonna still have my meatballs and jasmine rice later on today, but that's gonna wrap it up. Might have another protein shake at the end of the day if I'm hungry. It really just depends on how I'm doing, but that's it. Okay, if you guys are looking for a local workout class, we have booty camp every Saturday morning, and we have Club Fit After Dark every Monday. And that's super fun. But you do have videos of the dance routines and strength here on this channel that you can check out and work out at home. And if you want more information, let me know. Bye, guys.